कालार्थकर्माणां योगो हीनमित्यातिमात्रकः सम्यक् योगश्च विज्ञेयो रोगारोग्यैककारणम्।
Ashwagandhadi Layam, a smooth, dark brown in color, sweet in taste, pleasant aroma and creamy texture, is a semi-solid preparation of herbal ingredients prepared with adding of jaggery or sugar and boiled with prescribed decoction. Hello and namaste. We extend our warm welcome to our channel, Agumbe Herbs, where you will enjoy getting satisfactory information on our n number of Ayurvedic products. Let us join to know the health benefits and preparation of Ashwagandhadi Layam and Ashwagandha Rishta. Combined with proper diet and exercise, Ashwagandhadi Layam can support a naturally healthy body tone. Ashwagandha is an herb that reaches nerve and muscle cells and supports vitalization for healthy adrenal function, which helps relieve occasional stress and fatigue. It reduces body aches, tiredness, and physical weakness. It provides strength to the muscles and other structures of the musculoskeletal system. Ashwagandha contains group of biologically active constituents known as vithanolides and vidafrin A. This vidafrin A is an important bioactive constituent present in ashwagandha. The dominant vidafrin A and vithanolide is therapeutically active compound reported to be present in ashwagandha. Anti-inflammatory, anticonvulsive, anti-cancer, anti-tumor and antioxidant activities are reported for vidafrin A. Ashwagandha for treating male infertility. The formulation is typically indicated for improving men's health. The powerful spermatogenic properties that are extremely beneficial for treating low sperm count, low volume of semen, sperm motility, abnormal sperm shape and enhances sperm production. Being a natural antioxidant, improves the production of male hormones like testosterone and luteinizing hormone. It also treats conditions like erectile dysfunction and premature ejaculation. Being a natural aphrodisiac, helps in reducing mental stress and anxiety and stimulates the hormones for increasing libido. It also increases virility and stamina in men. In females, it helps in treating inflammation of the lining of the uterus and is a powerful uterine tonic. It maintains hormone levels within the blood, strengthens the female reproductive organs, and enhances maturation of the eggs into follicles. Ashwagandha for thyroid hormone levels. An over or underproduction of the hormone can lead to several issues, including hair loss, obesity, brain fog, etc. Taking prescribed amounts of ashwagandha formulation can effectively normalize the secretion of thyroid-stimulating hormone and treat hyperthyroidism naturally. Augments cognitive functioning. Imbued with powerful antioxidants and flavonoids, ashwagandha holds high significance in improving the memory capacity, focus, concentration, calmness, alertness of an individual. The neuroprotective elements in the plant also prevent loss of memory and relieves tension from the brain. Ashwagandha for healing bone. Ashwagandha Rishta is highly beneficial for improving bone health and reducing pain and inflammation at the joints. Maintains overall body balance and provides the body with a strong and perfect skeletal structure. It also increases bone and muscle mass and treats conditions like osteoarthritis, osteoporosis, and fibromyalgia. Formulation of ashwagandha for healthy heart functions. Ashwagandha is extremely effective in treating various heart ailments due to its strong antioxidative nature. It strengthens the heart muscles, prevents lipid buildup in the blood vessels, and hence reduces the risk of heart attacks, heart blocks, blood clots, etc. It also plays a key role in lowering the levels of cholesterol in the blood. Ashwagandha for youthful looking and glowing skin. Being a natural antioxidant, an effective anti-aging remedy to obtain youthful skin, and treats wrinkles, fine line, spots, dark circles, etc. Furthermore, it reduces acne, pimples, and bestows smooth and glowing skin. It is also beneficial for the hair, as the antimicrobial nature of the plant treats various scalp infections. It nourishes the hair follicles with essential nutrients, improves blood circulation, and strengthens the hair from the roots. Formulation of ashwagandha for managing diabetes. The excellent hypoglycemic property of ashwagandha plays a significant role in reducing the blood sugar level of the body. Taking ashwagandha gutika or churna helps to reduce the breakdown of starch into glucose, which in turn leads to low blood glucose levels. Preparation method of ashwagandhadi lahyam. Each Ayurvedic medicinal products manufactured by Agumbe Herbs are carefully curated blend of premium herbs. Each ingredient is meticulously selected for its unique properties and combined to create a synergistic formula that supports your overall health. Thanks for the social media platforms where companies like us can easily promote and showcase their products by sharing authentic informative videos of crafting Ayurvedic medicine for your knowledge purpose. Today, we will briefly discuss the making of Ashwagandhadi Lahyam and Ashwagandha Rishta and demonstrate its live preparation in our standardized GMP plant, which are equipped with multiple extractor and reactor, including food processing machine, fermentation room, bulk storage area, pulverizing section and more. Starting with the selection of high-quality herbs, which is crucial for the preparation of Ashwagandhadi Lahyam. Some of these quality herbs are first washed, dried, and pulverized for decoction. And for your knowledge, here they are. Ashwagandha, Draksha, Ilaichi, Jiraka, Shweta Sariva, Madhusnui, organic sugar, pure cow ghee and honey. This herbal concoction, prepared using natural sugar, which is rich in essential nutrients like calcium, iron and magnesium. It is highly likely that refined sugars that have been chemically processed may reduce the potency of the herbs to a great extent. Water is boiled in required quantity for making of paka from sugar. Squeezed juice produced from draksha are then added to filtered sugar paka and left to boil in a medium flame. Subsequently, pure cow ghee is added and allowed it to heat. Sugar paka, along with draksha juice and ghee, is stirred continuously until the mixture started to separate from spoon. Then churna of ashwagandha, shweta sariva, jiraka, and madhusnui were added in the mixture. Mild heat was given till pakwa lakshana. Once ghee starts separating from the mixture, flame is turned off. After removing vessel from heat, prakshepa dravya of ilaichi is added to this thick liha and stirred continuously to form a semi-solid homogeneous mixture. After cooling of the mixture, not a sugar pulp honey, which are used for preparing synthetic honey, but a pure honey, which is homogeneous in nature, is added and mixed well in ashwagandhadi lahyam and kept aside for few hours. Finally, a wholesome nutrient food prepared by Agumbe herb is ready to pack. Preparation method of Ashwagandha Rishta. This health tonic is a liquid preparation of the ashwagandha herb for general debility and improving the immunity. Apart from being used for improving reproductive health for both men and women, it is also used for neural problems like depression, dementia, etc. The goodness of the various herbal ingredients, along with ashwagandha, like muesli, manjistha, haridra, haritki, daruhridra, yashtindhu, rasna, vidari, arjuna, musta, trivrit, shveta sariva, shunti, maricha, tejpatra, agru, rak chandna, vacha, and chirtraka. Some of these quality herbs are first washed, dried, and pulverized for decoction. The decoction is prepared in an extractor by boiling the above herbs, reducing the water up to 1/4 of its original content. The decoction is then strained and kept in a vessel. Jaggery and dried prakshepa dravyas like dhatki, shunti, maricha, dalchini, tejpatra, ilaichi, nakesar, pippali, and priyangu are added into the decoction of ashwagandha rishta. The said decoction is then shifted to fermentation room equipped with earthen vessel. The decoction is then poured in the vessel and sealed with lid, using multiple layers, and allowed to ferment for about 45 days. After the fermentation is complete, it is filtered to remove husk of the herbs and bottled for further use. We have tried our level best to give you a relatively adequate information about ashwagandha layam and ashwagandha rishta and its ingredients. Please don't forget to subscribe and share our videos with your friends and close ones. Don't forget to watch our other informative videos on Chavanprash, Shatavari Gura, Supari Pak, Dhanvantari Tela, Bringamlaka Tela, Kumkumadi Telam, Balarishta, Dashamularishta, Lohaswa, Lodraswa, and more. Thanks for staying connected with us. Points to be noted before consuming this Ayurvedic herbal medicine. Pregnant women, consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. People with diabetics should consider sugar intake and choose sugar-free alternatives if available. Interactions with medications. If you're taking any medications, always consult your doctor before consuming ashwagandhadi layam or ashwagandha rishta. Allergies. Be mindful of possible allergic reactions and stop consumption if any adverse effects occur. Quality and source. Choose ashwagandhadi layam and ashwagandha rishta, manufactured by Agumbe Herbs, which uses high-quality ingredients and adheres to manufacturing standards.